Are you tired of getting denied for funding, or you're racking up hard inquiries on your Experian and Equifax report? What if I told you there's a smarter way to secure thousands in business credit by focusing on cards that pull exclusively from TransUnion? And in this video, I'll be breaking down the best business credit cards that pull exclusively from TransUnion. Plus, I'll give you a little known hack to get two business credit cards with just one hard inquiry at one of the top banks that we'll go over today as well. And stick around because I'll be sharing a secret bank network that offers 0% APR for 18 months, and you can snag two products with them with just a single inquiry too. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chess. I personally secured well over 400K for my businesses, and I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs and business owners like yourself secure funding for their business as well. And everything I share here it comes from real world experiences from either myself or from my clients. So let's get right into it. Now, before I share the bank with you, I do want to give you a few tips to boost your chances of approvals. So these are going to be strategies that I personally use and I've shared with my clients that really work to today's application processes. So first one would be to open your accounts early. You want to build a relationship with the banks before applying. Simple checking or saving accounts can make a very big difference when it does come time to apply for these. Second would be to keep your credit report as clean as possible. Try to keep your TransUnion inquiries as low as possible too. Ideally under 3 in the last 6 months. This shows the lenders you're not applying for anything and anything under the sun. Third tip would be to freeze your Equifax and your Experian. This can sometimes force the lenders to only pull your TransUnion report. And it's not going to be a guarantee, so double check with the banks first which bureau they apply perform. So fourth tip would be to work with a relationship banker. Relationship bankers can help you push your applications to a human underwriter. It always helps you get a higher approval amount. If you do need help on this, stay to the end. I'll show you exactly how we can do this for you. And these tips are all about setting yourself up for success. So now let's talk about the banks that can really help you secure all these funding. All right, so the top banks that pull from TransUnion. I'll also share some real life examples so you can see if others have made this work as well. So my first one is going to be US Bank. And US Bank, this is going to be a fantastic option. If you need some data points on how to apply for this, I have a video should be up there on my top right. But US Bank, they give very generous limits, but here's the tip. If you don't have a bank branch nearby, what you can do, a relationship banker told me, is you can open up a brokerage account, and then that way you can still get access to opening up a checking account, whether it's on the personal or on the business side. And from there, you'll be able to access their business credit products. Some key features about US Bank, they have 0% up to 18 months on the business platinum card. There's no annual fees on any of the cards. You get competitive cash back compared to other banks. And there's also a great rewards program as well. Real life example for US Bank, I have Josh from Oregon. He opened a brokerage account and later he got approved for 40K limit on the business platinum card. His TransUnion score was 755 and he had only one inquiry in the last 6 months. So this is going to be our second bank, Bank of America. So now let's talk about it. Here's the hack with Bank of America actually. You can actually apply for two business credit cards with just one hard pull. And this is perfect if you're looking for double the funding without an extra ding on your credit report. So some key features about Bank of America, they have 0% APR cards for 9 months on some of their business credit cards. They have some cashback options like 3% in some of the choices you could use. A real life example I have Vanessa from Georgia. She applied for the Business Advantage Custom Cash Rewards card and the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards, I believe. And at the time, she was approved for 15K on one card and 10K on the other card. And all this was done with just one hard inquiry on the TransUnion. So her LLC age was 2 years of old, and her score was also 745, very solid. And she hasn't opened any accounts in the last 6 months. That's why she got very solid approvals from Bank of America. So our next one is going to be BMO Harris. They are regional, but if it's available in your area, it's a very solid choice for TransUnion Pool. Some key features for them: they have 0% APR for 12 months on certain cards. I believe there's no annual fees on the cards, and relationship banking can boost your chance very high for approvals. Real life example for BMO, I have Marco from Illinois. He had a business checking account already open for them. And after about 3 months of building his relationship with them, he was approved for $30,000 on his business platinum rewards card. His TransUnion was very solid as well. He has 750 and he had no new accounts in the last 6 months. If you notice, all the clients, they had over a 720 score. Finally, I have Citibank. It's a great option as well. They're widely available and they also pull from TransUnion for business credit cards. Some key features I see with Citibank is they have strong rewards program like 3% cashback on very great categories as well. They have low interest rates on balance transfer. Could be a good move if you want to transfer your balance. Some real life examples I have is Sarah from Texas. She got approved for 20K on the City Business Platinum Select card. She had over a 740 score and only one inquiry on her TransUnion. All right, so let's get into the secret banking network. This is going to be Elan Financial. So Elan Financial, they back a lot of business credit cards for a lot smaller regional banks. These cards come with some incredible perks like 0% APR for 18 months. And even better, you can apply for two products with just one hard inquiry. So let me show you how to access these cards in our next part. All right, so to find the Elan Financial backed bank, what we want to do is first we want to go to bankbranchlocator.com. In this example, I'm going to be in California in San Francisco. So I already know one of the banks that do pull from Elan Financial in this area. So I'm going to be showing you a quick example. So we're going to scroll down. This bank is going to be called Umpqua Bank. If you are in this area or in California, Umpqua Bank is backed by Elan Financial. Little gem for you guys. So let's see. We'll go to Umpqua Bank. And general rule, you're just going to search up these banks on Bank Branch Locator, see where they pull from, go into their website, and I'll show you guys how it goes. So first, we'll go to their website right here, umpquabank.com. All right, and then we'll go to the business side, credit cards. And after that, we should see some cards right here, Visa Business Preferred, Real Rewards Card, Smart Business. And under that, what we will see is card offered through Elan Financial. And here's my pro tip for you for Elan Financial. To get the best results, always work with a relationship banker. They can help you push your applications to a human underwriter for you to get higher limits and even faster approvals. You can apply online as well. And here's my real life example for you. I have Davis from California. He founded Elan Financial Bank using the method I just taught you. He applied for two business credit cards and it got approved for 30K in total limits, 15K on each card. His TransUnion score was very solid. He had a 755, and he didn't even need to have a existing bank relationship with the banks. With these strategies, you're ready to take your business funding to the next level. If you're ready for personalized guidance to help you secure 100K plus in business funding, check out my one-on-one mentorship program linked in the description below and in the pinned comments as well. I'll work with you step by step to make sure you hit your funding goals this year. This is CashflowChes. I'll see you guys in the next one.